back, guys, with another food review. Let's right to it. This right here is the red velvet cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. Y'all see it? Hold on 1 second, y'all. That look good. Very good. Y'all see it. Up close look. Mmm. Mmm. Nice and moist. Wow, this is good. Oh. Cheesecake Factory. It's red velvet cheesecake, man. I'm gonna have to give this thing a 10 out of 10. The other one was good, but this one's really good. This red velvet is just on point, though. What can I say, man? Good taste. Just all around good, man. Delicious. Even the whipped cream on point, as always, but I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10, man. That's that. That's the review. There you guys go. The red velvet cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory, man. Comment, like, and subscribe, man. Keep watching these more videos. Next time, guys. Peace.